Many patients find knee supports helpful, and there are many different designs of knee support which are designed to support different structures around the knee. The simplest design would be a simple compressive knee support, which, while it doesn't offer any structural support, often provides increased what we call proprioception or position sense around the joint, which many patients find helpful in the earlier stages of treating an injury or an arthritic condition. There are other knee supports designed specifically to support the patella, so to stabilize the patella or kneecap at the front of the knee during movement. And then at a more technical level, there are a number of knee braces or more structural devices which are designed specifically to support ligament function around the knee.